history, we are going to turn it over to our scientists. So we're going to walk over. We're going to walk over into our studio here. Live television is how it works with no commercials.
No.
This is where we would take a commercial break where we, be back. Oh, whoa. Look here.
Guys,
all right. So we got to say hello to our scientists, Olivia Ford.
Hello.
And Noah Arnold.
Hello.
All right, so guys, how have y'all been doing with this pandemic?
Okay.
You gotta talk loud where everybody hears you.
Okay.
We know you two can talk loud.
Okay.
Are you gonna stand or sit?
Sit.
Okay, well that's fine. We'll move this a little out of the way right now.
Can you see everything?
So, of course, Olivia, you are a third grader at St. James. So how have you been doing with your homework?
Oh, there's a lot.
Huh?
There's a lot.
A lot of homework? So is school pretty much staying the same? Have you missed your friends?
Yes.
So what have you been doing to keep in touch with them?
A Zoom meeting, FaceTiming.
Is it on Google Classrooms too?
Well, you can text them on Google Classroom.
Well, I know that y'all have a Facebook or an iPhone group message.
No, it's called Facebook Messenger.
Speak a little louder.
And kids can go on there and text their friends.
Oh, cool. So you're keeping up with some of your St. James friends and Kid Academy friends?
Yes.
Do you want to send a shout out to anyone watching?
Shout out to Raylan, Macy, Annabelle, and all those other kids that like.
And what about the one that we saw a couple days ago? We stopped by the house. Jaden Mejia.
Yeah, Jaden.
You can't forget Jaden.
Oh. Olivia has so many friends. I mean, there's just a list. Any boys you want to say hello to?
No.
What about Cameron Going out there? What's up, Going? I don't know what symbol to do.
Peace.
All right, so Noah Arnold, of course, Noah's an old Kid Academy original here. He's in first grade at Anniston Avenue with Miss Covington. So how have you been surviving the pandemic?
Not good.
Not good.
You missed your friends?
Yeah, awesome.
You miss them? You ready to get back to normal life?
Yeah, Miss Covington. Every time somebody got in trouble, I would stare at that. I would watch it like a movie.
Now, we know, of course, in August, you two are going to have a new radio show on Kid Academy Radio.
Yes, very excited. And instead of calling parents, we're going to call kids.
Oh, yeah. So,
okay.
yeah, starting in August, Augie and Noah are going to be on the air from 4 to 6, Monday through Friday on Kid Academy Radio. They're cutting into my and Nick's afternoon time. We're only going to be on from 2 to 4.
Well, I think
we're going to be the midday guys.
You should let me and Miss Hope come on one of y'all's shows.
No.
Yeah, we're trying to get Miss Hope to sign back on to Kid Academy Radio.
Yes.
She hasn't made that.
I need a second
Still
morning
negotiations.
I can do it.
Augie and Noah, they're going to try to take all our shows over. You already bumped me off the prime time hours. All right, so today it looks like we got some dinosaurs here. So we're going back into the prehistoric days with our science project.
So tell us, guys, what y'all do? What you create?
We try to create a volcano with Coke and Mentos.
So how does it work?
So technically, we put the Mentos in the Coke, and it's supposed to explode like a volcano, but not really like a volcano. It's just gonna explode.
Okay.
All over us?
So should we step back?
Yes.
Yes, because we do not want to.
Okay.
We're going to step back.
I'll open it. I don't think you can.
You guys need help?
It's got to have a muscle man there. Got to bring in the muscles.
All right, guys.
Okay, we might want to back up.
Okay. Back up, everybody. You're watching at home. Back up.
All right, y'all can both stand up, too. Let's see.
Okay, give me help.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, we're just gonna.
So there's just regular Coca-Cola in there. So tell everybody what's in the bottle.
The bottle has carbon dioxide, I think. Yeah, right? Or the Mentos.
But it's just Coca-Cola right now?
Yes, it's Coke.
Okay. Okay. So how did you paint the bottle? What did you use?
We used clay and paint, and it was actually. You can try this at home, but I would recommend trying it outside. And one time I put orange all over my face.
Yes, you did decide to color your face. I do remember that when y'all were preparing. So everything on here is modeling clay and just regular paint
Yes.
from Walmart?
Ready? Wait now.
Okay.
Gonna watch?
Get ready. Here we go. Live television. Let's see what happens.
Here we go, guys.
Don't drink it. Oh my God. No.
Can we put more?
Yeah, you can do it one more time, but let's not get too crazy.
If we put more, I don't like to drink it.
Our cleaning staff is budgeted right now,
Can I
guys.
drink it?
Here, don't wipe. That's gonna get your hands
be
sticky.
careful.
You're gonna have to wash your
I
hands
don't know if
after
the
this
second time
segment.
is gonna work. I don't know if the second time.
Oh, that like really popped out.
Olivia, I didn't even get to do it.
Wait,
Y'all both do it.
Let Noah do it first, and then
Oh, you already
y'all
have
can
it.
both put more in there.
Let's see if it works though. I don't think you put like a lot. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, I told you. Oh, but I can take. Because I think all the
Oh,
coke
because
went out.
yeah. So it's really you got one shot to do it.
Yeah. It's
So again, if you want to do this at home, all we used is Coca-Cola, a 20-ounce bottle, modeling clay, paint, and
optional.
just
That's optional.
optional.
You don't have to use clay.
All right.
You could just like put
And you
like,
could use a bigger bottle too, right?
that would make it even funner.
Yeah.
And you can like get it like a Coke, like a large Coca, and then some chips, and you can just do that instead of doing a clay. Ask your parents.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
always
important.
get permission.
Or not. No.
Or not.
Or not. I'm going to go with Olivia's ask your parents.
Or you can just like sneak out and get the car.
And kids, if you get in trouble, you did not see this on the Power Hour.
No.
All right, so you guys want to continue being our scientists each week?
Yeah.
Coming up with new projects here on the Power Hour. We're gonna up your budget to $5 now instead of $3. I gave Olivia a $3 budget. I think she went over about $20.
About $20.
Yeah.
I went over like one.
Well, we want to thank you guys. Now we understand
Yes,
y'all are
good
going to
job.
get cleaned up, and in a minute we're going to go back to the kitchen with Mr. Nick in our kitchen segment.
Yes.
So why don't y'all wash
so high
your
five, guys.
why don't
did
y'all wash
awesome.
your hands? Bump.
Or okay.
Yeah, there's no high fiving.
No, don't drink that.
Yeah, do not drink that. So y'all get cleaned up. We're going to go back to the table
Yes.
because we're about to reintroduce our lady of the hour, our teacher, Mrs. Hope. And it looks like we've got, Mr. I. That's the inch guy.
Yes.
So-
Measures inches.
Inches. 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. And you know, looking here, it looks like I have more inches on you because I'm taller.
I don't think so, but it's okay.
So we're going to show everybody. Mr. Matt is using his lift ball that y'all all make fun
It's a
of.
posture ball.
It's a posture ball.
It's cool,
I
but
said.
I think most people
That
can
have
tell
short
that-
man syndrome.
I think you can tell that you're not that tall. Yeah,
Yeah.
because I'm like 5'9".
Told Gogo she had to wear flats. She couldn't be taller than me on TV.
Not wearing heels.
All right, so let's turn it back over to Mrs. Hope, our
Yes.
principal. She is going to now introduce Mr. I.
Hey everybody! It's me, Mrs. Hope. I'm back again, but this time I have Mr. I. Mr. I, are you gonna say hey? Hi everybody! I'm Mr. I, and I'm so happy to see you today. Do you remember what the letter I says? Remember, I am impossible inches. What does the letter I say? Well, it says eh. Don't get me confused with E, because E says eh, but I say E. So I am Mr. I, and I measure inches. However, my inches are everywhere. I can't get them to work together. They're all over my shirt. You see them? They're everywhere. They can't measure anything because they're all over the place. However, I want us to make sure we remember what this letter is. Everybody, What do we call this letter? Let's think. Yeah, that's a capital I. It's a capital letter. It has a long line and the two lines that are shorter across the top. So this is a capital I. I still have one more on me. And guess where it is? It's on the back. Look at there. I have another. This one is called Think About It. I wonder what it's going to be. Do you know? Do you know? Ah, it's the little I. It's called the lowercase I. So I have uppercase I and I have lowercase I. Yay! You're so smart you remembered my letter. It's an I, and it says E. So, you see my cool glasses I got on? My cool glasses are so I can go measure all the inches. But all my little ruler inches need to get it together because we need to measure some objects to see if they are 1 inch or 2 inch. Let's look at our book over here so we can decide. Here we go. So in this picture, this one, it's a ladybug. How big do you think a ladybug is? Do you think it's 1 inch or 2 inches or even maybe 3? A ladybug is pretty small, so I think he's 1 inch. 1 inch. Can everybody show me 1 inch? I'm looking. Ah, yay! You're so smart. Everybody showed me 1 inch. Let's look at my pictures again and see what I can see. Look over here. We have a lightning bug. I wonder how many inches a lightning bug would be. Does anybody know what a lightning bug is? Well, in case you don't, it's a bug that has a light on it. See how easy that was? Anyways, that's not what we're talking about. So, you have a lightning bug. How many inches do you think a lightning bug could be? Let's think. It's bigger than a ladybug, so we know it can't be 1 inch. It's a little bigger than a ladybug, so maybe 2 inches. I think we could go with 2 inches and be safe because he's not that big either. You know what I forgot? Oh my goodness. We need to see if I have any secret letters on me. Let's take a look. Can you find any secret eyes on me? Do you see any on the front? No, I have no secret eyes on the front. Let's look at the back. Here I am. Can you see any letter eyes? No letter eyes there either. I don't have any hidden eyes because my eyes are everywhere. They're impossible eyes. So let's sing the Mr. I song.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Mr. I.
Mr. I.
I'm covered with inches.
Inches.
Lots and lots of them inches.
Inches,
Head to
inches.
toe with them. None of them work together
Nope.
the way they should.
Impossible inches. Impossible inches.
They won't do what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to measure together. Measure together, but they don't. Oh no, they try to measure by themselves. Impossible inches.
Impossible inches.
They won't do
What they're supposed to do.
They're supposed to
Measure together, but they don't.
Oh no, they try to measure Impossible inches.
Impossible inches.
Impossible inches.
Impossible.
Impossible. Inches. Impossible.
Bye, everybody. I miss y'all.
All right, Mr. Inches. Fist bump, dude.
There we go.
All right, thanks for joining us. And of course, we'll have more of our Letter People friends in our next episode next week. Awesome job, Mrs. Hope, as always. Now we're going to step over to the kitchen. Again, we just have to kind of walk over because we don't have any commercial breaks to switch sets.
Oh.
Olivia, are you on the phone?
Uh-oh.
All right, so we got Mr. Nick, one of our
Yes.
other vice principals here, who's also been our chef for the last few days.
That's
Yeah.
So
right.
you're going to make some banana wraps here with Olivia and Noah.
We are. Yeah,
All
we
right,
are.
so show us what you